Hello friends, this is Rajul Suthar, Assistant Professor of Sri Swaminarayan Institute of Technology, Bard, Gandhinagar. In video lecture of Software Configuration Management, Unit 8, we have discussed previously some of the software maintenance technique. What is the software maintenance? उसके types like adaptive, perfective, corrective, preventing, वो हमने डिस्कस किए थे. देन सॉफ्टवेयर कन्फिग्रेशन मैनेजमेंट क्या है, SCM प्रोसेस आज देखेंगे वीडियो लेक्चर में. सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय SCM, सॉफ्टवेयर कन्फिग्रेशन मैनेजमेंट? इन सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग SCM is the process to systematically manage, organize and control the changes in the document, code and other entity during the software development life cycle. The primary goal is to increase the productivity with minimal mistake. So SCM is a part of cross-disciplinary field of configuration management, and it can be accurately determine who made which revision. Means software configuration management, why we require the software configuration management? There are multiple people working on the software which is continuously updating. It may be case where the multiple version branch authors are involved in the software coding project, and team is geographically distributed and work is concurrently allocated. So changes in the user requirement, policy, budget, schedule and need to accommodate, we require the software configuration management. Software should able to run the various maintenance, various machine and operating system. So we require the software configuration management. It help to develop the coordination among the stakeholder. Software configuration management process is also beneficial to control the cost involved in the making of the changes to the system. So these are the requirement why we need software configuration management. SCM, it is nothing but the umbrella activity that is applied through the software process. Because of the change can occur at any time, SCM activity are deployed to the identify the change control. It required that change is being properly implemented, and report change to the other who may be interested. So these are the main reason or where we require to need the software configuration management. So the total 4 point is important for the software configuration management. Now let me discuss the process of software configuration management. So look in the figure. Let's start with the SCI. SCI, it is nothing but the supply chain and information system. So it is required to provide the overview of a procedure and supply management in context to the some of the software product. Then second one, that is the identification. So generally it is the first step, identification of configuration item like the source code module, test case and requirement specification. Identification of SCM repository using the object oriented approach. The process start with the basic object which are grouped into the aggregate object. Detail of what, why, when and by whom change in the test are made. Every object has its own features that identify its name, what is explicitly to the other object, list of the resource required such as a document, file, all the things are covered in the identification phase. So this is the first part. Then second one, version control. So let me start with the example version control. So each and every file whenever you face, like in the product or whenever you create the code, so product like that cover the v1 dot some of the extension, here we are using the PHP extension. So here indication v1 is nothing but the version 1. So we required the name of proper version in the version file. We required proper folder or proper code for applying the version. So it called the packages. Then change control. What do you mean by change control? The change control is a procedure or method which require the quality and consistency when change are made in the configuration object. In this step, the change request is submitted to the software configuration manager. Some of the activity during this process, like control ad hoc change to build the stable software development environment. Change are committed to the repository. The request will be checked based on the technical merit as well as possible side effect and overall impact of the other configuration object. It manage change and making the configuration item available during the software life cycle. So this is called the change control. Then configuration status, that cover the configuration audit. The configuration status accounting track each release during the SCM process. This stage involve the tracking what each version has and the change that lead to the version. The activity during the process, like it keep the record of all the changes made to the previous baseline to reach the new baseline. It identify all the item to define the software configuration. It monitor the status and change the request. It complete listing all the changes since the last baseline. Allow tracking of the tracking as well as progress to the next baseline, that cover in the audit activity. Software configuration audit, it verify all the software product that satisfy the baseline needs. Configure the audit, it conducting by auditor by checking that define the process are being followed and some of the goal is satisfied or not of SCM. It also verify with the configuration control and standard. Auditing and reporting the changes is made. The SCM audit also required traceable or maintainable during the process. So this is the audit. And finally reporting required to report the project manager for the particular activities, monitoring the progress and development of the each and every issues in the SCM process, generate the report about the status to the software system, and make the process and policy are followed to create the changing in the SCM process. So at the final stage we require the reporting. This is called the software configuration management process. Some of the important tools of SCM, like versioning, means it control the changes to all the work product before and after release to the customer. Then dependency tracking and change management, it track means identify or check the status of each and every product, tracking the relationship among the multiple version of the work product, enable the efficient changes like management. Requirement tracing, so depend on the link management, it provide ability to track all the work product that result from a specific requirement, a specific forward tracing, and to identify which requirement is generated by and given work product and check the backtracking. It is called the backtracking process. Each and every process work in backwards. So, and configuration management, the SCM tools configuration management, it used to work closely with link management and versioning facility to keep the track of the series, the configuration representing the project milestone. Here important part, that is called the project milestone, and production to release. And last one, that is the audit. Why we require the audit? It establishes the additional information about where, why, when, whom as changes will be performed. So this is the SCM tools features. Then software configuration management task. We already discussed this type of a task. You can cover identification, version control, change control, configuration audit and reporting. This covered in the this figure. Then identification control. What is the functionality of identification control? Already discussed. Version control. Then change control. And some of the question related to the audit, like as the changes specified by the ECO been made without the modification, as a formal technical review been conducted to the assess technical correctness, what the software process follow and software engineering standard been properly applied, do the attributes of the configuration object reflect the changes, have the SCM standard to recording and reporting the changes been followed, and last where all the related SCIs, software supply chain information system, it is properly updated or not. So this type of a question will be occurred during the audit time. Configuration status and reporting. Finally, to generate the report, we required some of the question: what happened, what did it, when did it, and what else will be affected by the changes. So this type of a question is generated whenever you discuss with the team member, and it also generate report with the product whenever delivered to the customer. So monitoring and progress, that development and recognize with the issue cover in the SCM process. Generate the report about the status of the software system, how faster or performance of the particular product. Make sure the process and policies that follow for creating, changing and testing. So this type of question covered in the status, generating the status report of the SCM. SCM also cover the some of the baseline. So activity during this process facilitate constructing the version and versioning of the application, determine the mechanism and managing the various version. Also covered all the thing for the SCM process. So this is a total whole question cover for the software configuration management. Whenever asked in the GTU exam, you cover all the point, we discuss and draw the figure properly. थैंक यू. ये चैप्टर यहाँ पे ख़त्म हो रहा है.